Okay, so let's start now our Big Marcos. Today's fourth day of Big Marcos. Have you take some revision or some addition in connection with the last explanation, last lessons? First one is Sanya called perception in English. Sanya or perception. In this case, in the Buddha's teaching, there are so many teachings about this Sanya perception. One of the next ones, perception of nature, environment. Perception of environment. Embodied is called nature sanya. Meaning that someone, male or female, man or lay people, in the previous life he or she practiced of the environment of the meteorological phenomena, maybe Asuba Sanya, something like that. They put it in many ways. Asuba Sanya is called a perception of those sunness, something like that. So in this case, those holy men in the Buddha's time become the Arahanta, male or female. They practice sort of the insight, vipassana, knowledge, inside knowledge. That's why they have the impression with the environment. It is called perception of the environment. If you have practiced maybe samatha meditation, upasana, especially upasana meditation, you will find how they are environmented. Maybe also you may notice what you call it, conceptually, many people, many living beings are dying every day. Reborn, die. In this way, they notice all over the world living beings or non-living beings are one day sooner or later going to die. This is called contemplation of the environment. Later on, they change this one. First one, practice of the environment. Later, this one change into perception of environment or Marana nature sanya. Very useful. For the Vipassana meditation, you almost every day you practice Vipassana meditation by observing all mental physical objects. More or less, or sooner or later, you may come across how they are impermanent. This one, you have first you may have practice of the what you call it, the environment. Later, change it into the habit, sort of impression, call it impression. So that's why Sanya and God side we have to make use of for the what you call it Vipassana Jnana. We call it perception of the environment.
Rồi sau đó ai trong lúc thì cô cái xẻo tại cái trái quay xẻo tại cái trái thì Abhidhamma thì Abhidhamma thì trong cái sau đó thì nói thì chúng ta có mission là cái thằng bố mình cái thằng bố là cái quay sự khi nào có quay sự thằng làm sai là họ làm giàu cái số thì có thằng ai sau đó ai có thể cái ai khi họ tại cái trái là ai thì họ tại cái trái giàu cái thì quan hệ tới sanya thì perception thì xia thì chúng ta đang thì trái thằng như thế là từ trên khoa tuyến như thế bây giờ lúc có khoa thì đối với trái đó như thế thì chúng ta lúc có khoa thì số chỉ sanya thì perception số chỉ to Buddha hay cả gì đó 比较有主要是这个讲讲是有关于这个三亚，所以这个看起来这个三亚我会知这个三亚的这个像呢，它是无相的，它是无相的。所以当这个人伊都无论讲一个查甫还是出家人还是在家人都好，我人都训练这个训练这个是我人会看到，我人这个心跟这个不现象，是渐渐都改变的，是无相的。所以这就是这个三亚啊，就是讲这个想啊，这个 perception。这个如果你看到讲这个想本，你会知讲物件是无固定的，物件是这个会化会烂去的，会臭去的。所以这个本是这个会明白讲这个想呢，这个三亚呢，它是无固定的，它会变臭去的。所以这个三亚修家要变到这个阿拉汉是。yang就是阿拉汉在这个故事伊人训练这个地位前，伊人这个想呢，都会知讲这个想是无相的，到伊会知讲这个想呢是有这个想的影响，伊知讲这个想呢这个impermanent 这个无相的，伊会知讲这个无相的影响。所以当然有的人yang训练得到的人yang训练到按照这个思考时，伊会知讲这个 perception 这个想呢，伊会明清楚有这个影响，有这个关于这个想，所以这个想呢是无相的。所以当我人训练萨玛达禅也好，训练维帕萨那禅，我人会知道啦，这个想是无相的。除了做训练前，你会知讲我人的心跟不接的现象，它是无相。普通的人对好，对外口的人，我人就观念来看对好啦。我人会看到真正是众生，真正是人出世了，会灰心去。所以这个顶顶，伊做这世间内面会看到顶顶的众生，顶顶的这个还没人都好，自己出世了。伊就是会接落来无久，还是到尾会受了，伊就是会过世。所以这个就是我人看到讲，这是世间看到的无常啊。所以这个无常，也是讲当我训练提升时，我人会知讲，明白了解讲有影响讲，这个想呢，伊是无常的。所以到尾自己，这个想呢，伊变到这个马拉那三亚，伊是讲。这个想你在讲每一项物件是有死的，所以真正明显的，我人的政府的这个目标伊是渐渐都变的啦，政府的目标渐渐都变的，所以变到自己到我人就明白了，这个无常，伊对我人有一个深刻的影响啦，所以这就是想。通过我人训练提升会探究的机会，通过这机会前，会探究这个内观智。
So we have to follow good example, good tradition from the Buddha's time. There was one Lord Sutta by name of Girimananda Sutta. That monk maybe become senior. Later on, he got serious illness, so he was affected by these diseases. Very hard to be patient with the pain. Then one of them reported this matter to the Buddha. Then the Buddha asked someone, the monk, to give Dhamma talk to this Girimananda. So in this connection, the Dhamma talk is 10 kinds of perception, something like that. Perception of impermanence, perception of suffering, perception of asubha, perception of the anatta, so and so forth. So after listening to Dhamma talk, she is much better. So in this case, we also try to be Venerable Ananda. After you practice meditation, you may have the perception of the impermanence to the some extent. Later on, you become habit. Nobody, very, don't trust anybody who talk about permanent. We think everything, and now ordinary people opposite they are viewed because it's got to see, it's got to hear, it's got to do it, smell, everything good. That's why instead of the environment, they are possession of what we call it, sukha, happiness, possession of permanence, possession of what we call it, ego or personality belief. That's our ordinary people point of view we have, because we have no practice properly inside meditation, then environment of perception of environment did not come to us easily. Whatever it may be, if you practice meditation, you may have this knowledge.
So kaya tadi keng orang tadi tuổi tadi Buddha kasi lah. Buddha tadi kasi kong tadi hoi tadi tadi example ya hoi panwan hoi cuba orang itu ya orang tadi itu ya tadi Buddha kasi. So Buddha yang siapa tadi sekarang itu Giriman dan Nanda tadi Giriman Nanda tadi suka lagi nah. Putri lao trước kể là đi tiểu ra thì đã tại phải là số putri trước kể là khi cả Buddha con phố của Buddha tại là con thì lao trước kể là tiểu ra thì đã tại phải số Buddha thì kiểu trước kể là con thằng cô con kinh họ trước kể là gì là số kiểu Buddha thì kiểu trước kể là con tập quán thì perception kinh tập quán thìเสียงละคืออยู่แปลชื่อแกร้านเนี่ยสุดที่ตัดข้อนี้คือ perception เนาะที่ก็รู้อีกข้อหนึ่งบอกว่าเนี่ยคืออนัตตาบุษยงอสุภะคือลักษณะนี้เนี่ยส่วนบางคือข้อแปลแล้วนี่คือชื่อแกร้านอิทธิยาคือเกี่ยวกับที่แปลบุญอยู่การปฏิบัติข้อต่างๆละส่วนอย่างนี้คือในข้อเนาะorang tu ai huấn luyện để chỉ chiến huấn luyện chỉ chiến các bạn chỉ khám chán à, so chỉ có orang huấn luyện các quan sĩ nhá, để chỉ chiến nó orang thì trái con này, tham mình kia, nó làm cỏ thôi làm con tham mình kia thì hôi hôi thiên hôi bị sỏi yang thì nhà lòi thì yang thì thì 我见我让你知啦，本嚟这边你知講，我通過透人講嘅物件，伊是教我人正福利家是正啲真理哦，是對假啦，無好物件讓發到好，上嘅物件無上嘅物件讓發到上，好嘅物件讓發到落啦，所以是無訓練啦，讓你看法啦。做人應該就係去訓練，變成去訓練這些，做人可能有好嘅perception，好嘅想。
So in this connection, there are very famous story of four brothers in the Asian time. Those four brothers would be very famous distinguished father in the Buddha's time. And they were Ananda, and they were Sariputta, and they were Moggallana, so and so forth. Those four brothers, including the Buddha Bodhisattva also, practice samatha and vipassana meditation. Then they have this perception of the environment. This one follow every life, never disappear. So in one life, those four brothers have become sons of one king. King also first, they don't have king when no children at all. Later on, the power of with help of the Sakra Deva, they request some Devas in the upper level request to be reborn in the human world. Then those king and queen, they have four brothers, same time. So then, that are also remind those king and queen. Even though they have four brothers, they were not enjoying themselves in the human world. They were renounced. They were renounced all these human, what they call it, household life. They do not enjoy themselves there. Whenever if we had this four brothers, one or another, we wanted them to become the king of this country. So waiting for their age, four brothers come of age, about 80 something. Then one by one, this king and this, what they call it, one minister, disguised as a what do you call it, as a monk, as a hermit. Because as soon as he was born, as some players, some people sort of the what do you call it, elephant trainer, and then and the other what do you call it, voodoo trainer, and then gold trainer, so and so forth. So they let them stay there because they are associated with the bad people. They never become the good people. So at the age of 18, those their father came and minister visited to them, and they asked them first, their son, my son, you are come of age. Now you have come of age. It's time to become a king or in my place because we are getting old. Try to ask this question. But eldest brother refused. Never accept his idea. We don't want to become Christian. That's why I'm become a king. So they have conversation a lot, especially explaining of Dharma. So they refuse to become a king. Later we did it again at the son, third son, fourth son. So all four brothers refused to become a king. Because they have tried this sometime vipassana and the past existence. So by enjoying themselves for a long time as a king or maybe something like that, then they will spend their time for nothing. They are going to die, that's all. That's why last year some also talk like that. We talk, we have talked for a while. Even this time we can die any situation we don't want. So refuse their request. After 2 days, four brothers renounced household life, and they stay in the forest as a hermit. That's all. So, however much they persuade to become a king one by one, but they never trust. Whether old or young, anybody, anytime can die. This is called possession of nature of environment. That's why we have no idea, no enjoyment of the human life.
So còn người ta today also sama kong là today perception of today impermanent. Yang mana today kita kong today là sang mỗi today trong sen khi sen là thì bộ phút rồi nghe chút xíu ra để xí. So còn người ta today perception of impermanent. Thế đó chỉ là người ta phải cái phân享về nhà chung nhà có sự là today giá trị 这个有关的这个四个兄弟啊，这个兄弟兄，所以这四个兄弟兄就是พุทธะ这个ปริพุทธะพุทธะมงคลนะพุทธะอนันดาdan这个不哪里啦，yang正式啦，yang正式，所以yang正式的哩这个哪里真正哩，伊人对正式是哩，yang本人就本人是萨玛达是vipassana的，所以人对这个无相的这个印象，伊人比较深刻了，对这个无相印象，伊人在讲每一事，这个事你接落来本做。如果是无相的，无论你出事的，还没装成好，这个事本是无相的。所以有一事这个是你讲就是讲着是yang出事啦，yang出事有一个你讲就是讲啲这个王啦，这个王甲这个王庙，这个王甲王庙伊人是无惊奇啦。然后伊人会无惊奇，伊人就拖个这个亚卡拖个这个萨卡啦，这个祭司啦，拖个这个祭司，这个韩国的王啦，祭司甲伊拖讲伊讲会互伊人这个互伊人惊奇无啦，所以无久呢，这个王甲这个王庙，无久也看到这个看到四个王惊四个惊。所以就来这个囡仔，这个兄弟出事本好，到这个王标，伊人无未讲会了，无讲去享受，就来对王标，到王标也无去享受，有样关系到正事是样每一个正事，样本点做训练，即萨玛达vipassana的，所以人跟关系啊，就来这个事样出事到这个是王标，伊人无晓无去讲去享受这个嘢。所以人无爱去管你王有一日伊看到伊人大汉了，甲伊人讲伊人过了18岁啦，王甲伊学长会去找这个王囝啦，找这个王囝讲你人已经大汉了。你人爱接手啦，然后伊讲伊本身已经老了，别人去接手做这个王，所以因为一个啦，大囝、二囝、第三甲第尾个囝，每人所以每一个王囝本，伊人无爱接受啦，人无爱接受伊王，别人做接伊个王位啦。所以因为这事哦，伊人有真正是这沟通啦，讲真正根本好伊人第四个本，伊人本无爱去接受啦，无爱去接受来做这个国家哦。所以因为伊人训练这个界限哦，萨玛达线甲这个vipassana线都一样的正式啊，真正久了，所以伊人已经关系咧，会知讲这个有一样都训练界限都一样的正式训练界限啊。有时正式本样出事做王本，特别伊感觉到出事做王本好无参就虾米啦，到尾本是就死，所以人已经知讲这个出事虾米装正本好，做王本好，到尾本是死的，所以人对这个死的印象真正深刻了，所以人无爱接受啦，所以人知讲无论你后生还是老也好每一点声人本会死的，所以就是样有了安尼款的真正深刻的影响对这个无相。
So how do we talk about the study of Vidyaka? Yes, Vidyaka initial education, but in other words, thought, also called Vidyaka Sankappa. Sankappa is in the stage of the fourth stage we call ordinary Sankappa. At the stage of the Vipassana, inside knowledge, maybe it's called Samma Sankappa. Maybe at the age of the path to intuition, attaining of path to intuition knowledge, so at the noble equal path stage, so it is called Samma Sankappa. This one I'm going to talk about an ordinary one it is related of the wholesome day. The third one is that Sangha is the three types of thought. First one, thought about sensual pleasure. You can take a note. For we don't have knowledge previously. Second one is thought about destroying others' welfare, others' interest. We think so. We take that. First one is karma vidaka. Second one is we think so. We take that. Jabara vidaka. Second one is Jabara vidaka. Third one is we think so. We take that. Vidaka means thought about how to bully others in many ways. So ordinary people have three kinds of thought, more or less. Mostly we may have thought about sensual pleasure, how to enjoy, especially for young people. For old people, maybe the same. We think about how to enjoy with the food, with the clothes, with the jewelry, with the going abroad or so many. In many ways, we think about how to enjoy ourselves. So it's called karma vidaka. Second one is thought about how to destroy others' welfare. Among those businessmen, maybe among those politicians, they may have such an idea. So this man better than me, how can I destroy his welfare, how get trouble, make trouble to him, and political field also, they will fight for each other. So it is called Vyabhata Vidaka, how to destroy others' welfare. The other ones also everywhere we take up. Abawa, trying to bully lower people. Businessmen also, they may have many workers. They will take advantage of the workers by bullying the workers in many ways. So it is called maybe Vidaka. So in opposite to these three, we have to talk about that one. The opposite of the way what we call karma vidaka is renunciation. Talk about renunciation. How to liberate himself from this world. How to liberate himself from the law of riba. So it is called karma vidaka. The opposite of that first one, karma vidaka.
接下来大家分享大家所讲的วิตากะ寻讲วิตmore initial application ก็จะ另外会是讲一起想啦三角法的思维啦三角法的思维所以讲我是讲我有好的思维讲正思维啦就讲有好的正思维是讲一个人比如训练这个比如前个话这个康照了比如这个正思维啦三马三角法所以当伊有了这三马三角法是伊成就啦这个个一定变这发生到了一定变发生到所以这个是三马三角法有正思维所以这个好的这个行动有三这个主要这个行动内面有三种啦头一种是 sensual pleasure karma vidaka 第二种是 vyabhata vidaka 第三种是 vihimsa vidaka 所以这三种内面普通的人第三种的思想的思维较几人伊是带条头一个啦karma vidaka 就是讲伊应该享受到这个肉体的享受有这个肉体的享受啦尤其是后生就是爱定追求这个快乐啦可能老人不想老人可能追求伊这个伊 伊补救啊，或者伊杀口啊，或者吹水啊，等等啦。所以无论讲后生也好，老也好，本点点都追求啦，或者享受啦。所以较啲人就是爱去，就是讲，就是叫做卡嘛，为大家啦，讲嘅入边嘅享受嘅嗰啲处处。所以第二个呢，就是叫做biar pada大家，biar pada大家呢，为大家呢就讲，伊心哦，是点点爱去破坏人，爱破坏人。看到人有啲人，譬如讲伊做生意啦，伊看到人较搞贪，或者係乜嘢，伊去看咗去破壞人生意，有啲人真正嘅點樣看咗去破壞伊法律對應啦，伊互相講嘅人啦，看咗去破壞人，想辦法去破壞人，呢啲就是叫做biar pada大家，講有啲破壞心啦，破壞思想係破壞人。所以这里點解會發生嘅啦？你看到做這裡做生意人本身，做這裡參政嘅人，做 politician 本身，點去思想啦。人講下面你就破壞下面，人講下面就破壞下面，人做下面嘅生意，伊也去傳都係破壞人嘅生意。所以呢就是這裡biar pada大家這個心。所以第三個心就是講vihimsa大家，vihimsa大家就是講。無愛看人好啦，尤其是頭頂人，suka kambing開人，dengan頭家伊suka伊suka啦，伊有這個心啦，伊關係有這個心，伊有咧較無愛高顧伊嘅kambing，顧伊愛趁顧伊嘅便宜啦，所以這就是vihimsa大家，所以這個三種大家內邊這個kama大家。這個欲見嘅享受咯，可能就係去想辦法啦，安怎去相配，安怎去可以脫離這個卡瑪維大家。所以講我哋要脫離這個卡瑪維大家呢，可能就係談到呢卡瑪維大家，就講我哋要這個脫離心、脫離想法。
So in this conversation, Nikama Vitaka, we call another usage. In the definition of the energy or Viriya, you try to look at reach to this table, third page at the corner. The approximate cost for the Viriya effort, sense of urgency, samvega or ground for arousing energy. Just one that the most important reason for the meditators. Every meditator must have a strong effort, special effort. If you want to have a special effort, strong effort, you must have sense of urgency or samvega or ground for arousing energy. Just now I know story of two brothers. They have such kind of due sense of urgency. In the Buddha, there are many monks and lady monks, bhikkhuni, have sense of urgency. In connection with their livelihood, in connection with their spouse and husband and wife relationship, in connection with their their condition, and maybe some social programs, many things. It's called when they meet with you something very bad, then they have the intention to renounce the household life. So it's called the samvega, sense of urgency. Immediately must carry out. So for example, think about the Buddha Bodhisattva, our Buddha Gautama. He enjoyed himself in the palace without knowing about old age and death. Later, because of power of the devas, on the way he going to the garden, he has seen someone who is getting old, someone who is very sick, someone who is dead on the roadside. As soon as he saw these 3 signs parasite, he doesn't want to stay anymore as a princess in the palace. But after some time, he renounced, especially in the middle of night, he renounced the war. So because of sense of urgency or some way, he doesn't want to enjoy himself how much about he has a lot of money, a lot of enjoyment, renunciation. It's called thought about renunciation because of sense of urgency.
所以我可能这里这个对我们有之前的讲对啦，这里วิริยะจริงๆ energy 所以จริงๆ这里伊这里特项就是讲จริงๆ的特项就是讲กุลา所以这จริงๆ除了这กุลา呢因为我这จริงๆ这大这个冲力就是讲我们有这个 sense of urgency 上面个就是讲我们有在讲看到我们有这个紧张的心然后起劲的心看到这个种的这个不好的目标对着这个不好的目标我们看到了我们有起种的心做人会当我们有这个安排的真正的心时我们会起这个นิคามะวิตากะก็ไป处理这个สุจ因为这个我们有这个วิริยะ有这真正的心ที่นักขันธ์อีกขันธ์这个处理是นิคามะวิตากะ所以有这个高速咱们讲这个也是bien高速都是下我这个是的红点依然就是有这个 set of urgency 讲样有这个ที่緊張嘅先，有這個緊張嘅先，伊來講有一樣嘅話，比如講出事還沒裝正嗰個是無常嘅，正版嘅，就是出事了不久會死嘅，所以一樣嘅有咱這個緊張嘅先，還是做好嘅先，所以大家講今日係當無奈當時有啲係你做啦，你出家做啦，你顧你啦。尤其是这个古典样的这个 set of urgency 这个紧张的心有这个紧张爱做好的心紧张爱做好的心就这个古典今天这样发生所以样的去这个爱紧张做好的心这里这个大概上坡里依然透过布达也提出嘅做的古典所以一样做大概是可能都要改变嘅问题，都要改变嘅问题所以人就今天希望啦，然後講講有咩隨時就係離開改變然後再講做人是點樣無穩嘅，然後起咗緊張嘅先，咁樣去出街來修行。所以這裡就是講是三昧嘅先啦，緊張係咁樣去做好啦。所以到這裡布達點寫不好係布達古比啦，就是我哋嘅這個菩提薩埵，這個布達伊會成佛之前伊是這個菩提薩埵，然後伊出世到這個紅鏡，後尾就是死啦。所以雖然伊到這個紅鏡伊還沒物件本無看到，然後自己伊大漢了，自己伊故意人帶去出門去看海邊，然後出門無半年伊就看到會拄到有老人、有看病人、有個人死到路邊，所以當伊看到這三項這個現象時這個目標時，伊就真正咩就起這個緊張的心。所以就是當你起個緊張心時咧，伊就是隨自己啦，一暝有一個暗暝，伊就離開皇宮來出家啦，出家。所以雖然伊有真正皇宮內真正物件享受，真正嘅恢復好啦，伊不唔買啦，因為伊已經明白了。這個無常嘅這個以前伊在講這個無常，所以有一件大嘅處理嘅心 IT 处理家多处理性他怎样紧张爱做好心所以去处理你可以也方便去出嘅
So that is why when we talk about effort or energy, we must fulfill necessary reasons, especially for the proximate reason is we must have a sense of urgency, otherwise called spiritual, what do you call it, spiritual remorse, we call it another English, spiritual remorse. So why in the world so many people are free from this lively suffering of a livelihood mostly. They don't live easy life because they have to hard work for their living cost. Very bad. So a few days ago I reached one story from Burma, one of the eldest daughter who suffering from because of his mother and father. She was the eldest daughter among my brother and sisters. She sacrificed herself for her what do you call it, brother and sister. Even though he has graduated, no idea to get married because of his brother and sister. Later on, all brother and sisters going to marry, live separately. Only one she left in the house. Even though trying very hard to please her mother and father, but unfortunately, mother and father always speak ill of her. Unfortunately, misunderstood her. So they speak of her story in social media. So this one, from her point of view, her life not satisfied because of the condition changed. Previously, okay, now even though staying with their mother and father instead of happiness, he is not happy with the mother and father because almost every day they speak ill of her daughter. This maybe you can say a sense of urgency because there you cannot live as a layman, but that you renounce it. It's the best way. Another one lady is I met one lady, Chinese lady about 50 years old, and when I say in goodness, she speak of her story. She said, I'm very lucky from childhood and really have graduated. Very lucky, nothing to be worried about my life. Brother and get married husband always very good-hearted. He getting for me whatever I need, always ready to get help. Nothing much to be in my life. And this age about at the age of 50. After that she got cancer disease. From that time onward, never be happy about life. So after 3 years later, passed away. So look at you observe her story also maybe summarize he may have a chance to enjoy herself, but I cannot hope to enjoy all life. One day we have to make changes. So it's called a sense of urgency.
So today kula sim today effort actually the effort actually kula sim actually จริงๆว่าไอ้อุกันโปtoday物件来赞助你做有啲重要嘅物件啲重要嘅理由啲接近嘅理由来赞助你就是讲你有啲 sense of urgency 係講啲 spiritual remorse 係講可能起啲緊張嘅心來做好驚講或者我哋驚講後悔我哋冇去做好所以係愛翻心啦所以我哋有愛翻心緊張講去做好，但是驚講後悔講，我哋冇來做好。所以雙向你玩開心呢，伊就會鼓勵你啦，會鼓勵你，互你較精進，互你較努力來去修行。所以有一個，在這個世界內邊咯， 可能看到真正一顶顶啦，真正一人本为了伊生活本真正坎坷，无能用过生活有过生活无能用所以人这个本是其中一个可能看到伊可能起一个紧张的心啦。所以在这有台湾人介绍，当伊发生到这个缅甸的这个查某囡仔，伊是大查某囝啦，名伊伫以后有几哪里兄弟名伊爸妈有病了，伊搞伊爸妈啦，所以伊虽然伊是大查某囝，但伊宁愿讲伊搞伊爸妈啦。名伊其他的小妹甲伊小弟面养甲人养组织家庭，但伊留落来搞伊爸妈。特别搞伊爸妈，特别常常有时候伊嘛可能讲伊啦，还是骂伊啦，所以互伊起真无欢喜心。所以安尼看伊感觉到啦，虽然伊搞伊爸妈本好，特别常常互伊爸妈都讲伊啦，伊本做起无欢喜心啦。所以这个是一个sense of urgency啦。我人在讲即是扫描甲做人是讲常常会欢喜啦，会受苦的。所以这个是起一个扫描甲个 sense of urgency， 会起一个紧张的心啦。所以这个都因为这个伊有受到安尼是苦，所以这个第四条平台啦，就有讲真，有讲有传出来，互人知啦。所以这个本是一个互人看到这个sense of urgency，一个人可能伊本都出来了，但是本伊拄着顶顶的问题啦。所以讲过一个故事，就是讲怎么讲？迄个查某囡仔缅甸查某囡仔，伊拄着安尼顶顶问题了。伊就有一个紧张的心，伊有起一个思想讲较好去修行啦，去修行较好啦。所以了，我讲一个故事，关于这个都露娜小女，就是查某人，咁多50岁查某人。伊讲伊都细汉时间，然后名啦，有咩问题呢？健康都好，特别到50岁时候伊就cancer啦。所以变到伊真正坎坷，无欢喜啦，所以无伊变回心啦。所以这个互我人看到啦，欢喜这点上，伊毋是固定的，伊会改变的，有一日伊会改变，也有一日会回心的。
So another one, Manasikara reflection also very important Dhamma in the Buddhism. Now we are talking about 3 types of Chirana, Apara Chirana. You have done charity many times in the past. So many times you have to spend a lot of money for your charity. Maybe you practice meditation many times, many days, many months. If you reflect on how you make offering to the recipient, where did you share your charity with the others? How you take care of your family in many ways. Reflecting on this, it is called Apara Kirana. But actually, Manasikara, we call it Manasikara. Other than that, you may now chant Ititi Sobhagava Arahant Sama Sambuddha, so and so forth. Buddha's attribute, Dhamma's attribute, Sangha's attribute. Maybe you may chant the Nidda chanting. Avida Homi, Sabitada, Avida, Abhatidaram, Aniga Hondu. When you are chanting at the same time, you reflect on the meaning of chanting. This is called Manasikara or maybe reflection. Without reflection, without Manasikara, you cannot give rise to wholesomeness. That's why you make use of reflection called Manasikara. So meditation, although you must have attention, reflection also. When you are doing meditation, must you are noting mind directly to the object at the right way. So then you may have knowledge of the what you call it understanding of the material physical objects as they really are. So after practicing also you may reflect on your meditation also. I practice today about 1 hour with 1 hour. I can practice very well. My mind never wander anywhere. So by reflecting all these qualities, you may be happy with your action, your wholesome deed. That's why we must make use of Manasikara called reflection very often, or almost every day.
所以我哋就是讲对manasika 注意啦，是讲你有一个注意心去做这个嘅，所以这个是真正重要啦。做这个福建内面，这是真重要的福建manasika 啦。注意你做物件，真正注意，真专心。所以这个有3种，这个这单啦，这个manasika 啦，就是3种的这单啦的。艺术的心，所以这个艺术的心，就是讲，你常做这个你常慷慨，常做这些呼吸，不时做呼吸，还是你常不时有去过来训练这些，可能大家基本这些，基本这分哪点钟，大家不会跟着训练啦，跟着训练这些。所以我人都假如讲去做这个呼吸出个人，做如果回想，假如讲有搞你出来人，这就是阿巴拉这个呢，就是讲你有好的这个艺术心啦，所以咱们所讲的这个好的，你所做的等的好的这个行动，所以你去就是这个好的艺术心，阿巴拉这个呢来做这个物件。所以这个本是这个就是叫做这个manasika啦，就是讲注意啦，有好的这个有这个注意心。所以当我们念这个念经时候，可能你念的比说巴嘎哇啦汉萨玛萨布达，所以你本是爱去反省啦，反省的对。反思的对这个布达的这个进步啊，这个达玛的进步，这个三卡的进步，所以当你去念，你有念这个经题，你会想起的对啦，这个布达的进步，这个达玛的进步，所以这个是这个好的这个manasika啦，好的manasika啦，就是好的这个注意心。所以我人训练这些是我人有这个注意心来管。每一个心的这个关这个每一个心的这个目标，来准来对。所以当我人有爱发心之里，我人就会去这个内观之对这个训练之前，会去这个内观之对这个心的这个布置，一切这个目标，都当我人做训练之前之里，我人几下那里，可能就系反思啦，还有 reflection，上到对讲当我训练之前咯，自己想正，可能自己落点正，因为心真正正，就讲去乱想物件。所以当你reflection 时，当我反思时里，你会去这个欢喜心，所以当你去这个欢喜心呢，这就是这个manasika啦。所以来讲个礼拜嘅啦，所以当我人训练做咁嘅嘢，好嘅情況之後，我人愛有這個manasika啦，係好嘅心你愛反思當然啦。
Buddha as monk do reflection on our daily use for the monk. When we are eating food, also reflect. When we are using a rope, also must reflect on that. For the purpose of maintenance, for the development of provision, for the practice of the 3 kinds of training. I have to eat, I have to wear, I have to stay in the monastery, I have to take medicine for the purpose of the maintenance of my body in order to practice the Buddha's teaching. This is called, all of these are called reflection on Buddha graces. Whenever we use it, very, very important. Without reflection on that meaning also, you don't feel anything. even though you chant about the attribute, Dhamma's attribute or Sangha's or Metta chanting, you do not focus on their respective meaning. Then you may have the happiness. Because of happiness, you may have a lot of wholesome day. Without reflection on their respective meaning, you will not, understand so much. That is why Manasikara reflection is very important.
สุดๆบุดาว่าเป็นสิ่งที่เกี่ยวกับไปละต่อไปสุดแล้วจำจะให้做这个 reflection จะต้องให้反思รู้ได้ให้反思当รู้จักที่ได้反思รู้情ได้การเสียได้反思ที่จะต้องให้定啦出去就是讲ที่อยู่3ก้องฟังอีจักคือ出嘅啦จัก情ที่ตัวที่用嘅เรื่อง哦ที่พอ你就是ที่ให้反思啦如果你用这个你จัก情ตัวก็อีอยู่伊用这物件伊反思讲这物件是互我食呀互我健康呀是互我接落去用的去训练对ผู้理解是所以这个是不但搞在一起给人就要不时爱反思这只情大的这有当你用这只情大的有时候你爱反思啦所以就讲我们应该爱反思啦爱不时反思是讲如果我的话呢แต่ก็รู้ที่เรียนรู้อย่างเก่งเพราะรู้ว่าreflection ไอ้ใจก็รู้อย่างนี้สิเรียนเก่งอะไรเป็นกล้องในการอิสุส่วนการรู้ใจใจก็เก่งอะไรเป็นกล้องในการอิสุคือตัว reflective ที่จะอุทิศที่จะ meaningful ละยังดีละ所以这里ที่ว่าเราอย่างเก่งว่าเราใจที่อิสุยังรู้บุค反思เพราะรู้อย่างนั้นรู้บุค反思บุคตัว所以就变到无意义啦。所以就讲是应该啦，可能不时就爱去反思啦，来训练这个慢慢习惯啦。
So now our review lesson, page 57. Adimauka, determination or decision. Adimauka makes the decision whether to such object is good or bad. It's like a judge who decides a case. It is also compared to a thumb pillar when it's unwavering state in making the decision. It opposed to Vichikekcha, doubt of and decision. Number 4, Viriya effort. Viriya is more or less equivalent to effort, energy, exertion, willingness or heroism. It may be defined as the trait of being energetic or courageous, maybe backwardness also. It has characteristic of the supporting or upholding its concomitant as a linear old house supported by a new pillar may not fall. So also concomitant supported by Viriya will not get away. Just as a strong reinforcement helper would help army to hold on instead of retreating. Even so, Viriya uphold or which it is concomitant. Viriya is regarded as a spiritual faculty in the Riya because it controls Uvadam idealness. It is also one of the 5 powers of Allah because it cannot be shaken by its opposite ideals. It also serves as one of the 4 means of the accomplished one and Aidariya. So we give the name Viriya 3 names, Aidariya, Bala and Etipara also. Another one, it also serves the one of the 4 means of accomplished once and Etipara. According to Atasarini commentary, Viriya should be regarded as the root of all achievement. It is key to success. This one very common. All all religion, all theory, what you call it, business method, what we talk about effort.
So sẽ lại sẽ đó ai phải sửa tại cái Chitasika cái sinh số cái sai rồi cái chắc sinh số là chắc sinh số cái sai ahi muka
Ki mawa
ahi muka cái sai chắc sinh số là so cái ahi muka ý là講lưu做骨架先啦骨架先 so cái ahi muka thì講lưu骨架啊lưu bằng lưu khoa cái cảm quan này cái mục tiêu gì đó lưu骨架講cái cảm quan lưu khoa cái mục tiêu thì是好嘅還是唔好嘅目標嚟所以講是cái法官嘅方啊啲骨架啦判斷啦佢人有做好還是冇做好有沙拉還是冇沙拉啦所以是係啲目標所以講我哋看佢哋定義啦假如看佢哋條伊是離動搖嘅啦佢條離動搖嘅也穩嘅所以這個阿比木加呢伊對立對立甲阿比木加呢就是วิจิกิจจะ就是講伊樣味啦還是伊別做決定別無做決定先啦伊是對立甲這個阿比木加就是วิจิกิจจะ所以來第四個這大家第四個這個精索就是วิริยะ就是講精啊還是骨力所以這個วิริยะ不同是差不多就講會使講是骨力啦還是有動力啦還是有真正勇猛啦還是有真正肌肉啦所以這是有真正有動力的人啦是叫做วิริยะ精的人所以使講是這個抗戰哦有真正有動力的啦做物件真正有真認真真正快啦真爽快所以這是วิริยะ所以這個วิริยะ伊的這個特性哦它是支持把你心所這個วิริยะ的真正的心所裡它是支持把你心所都這個啦支持把你心所所以現在這個厝啦已經是一個舊的厝一個老的厝一個舊的厝可能伊個愛因為無材料伊個愛去加這個條啦加條來互伊做所以相關的其實我們的這個วิริยะ的這個心所啦伊來支持把你心所把你心所一樣袂相推啦袂放棄啦所以這วิริยะ是支持把你心所袂互伊啦放棄啊安尼會放棄啦所以來一個這個比喻就講這個病哦樣去拍症哦樣拍個一破了樣都加病來支持這個樣去拍如果無病了樣就是可能會拍輸啦所以就是這個比喻講這是วิริยะ來加贊助來支持來那個病來去拍症啦所以這個วิริยะ就是講伊會認表伊支持掉這個其他的這個心所所以這個วิริยะ就是這個心智啦spiritual faculty indriya所以因為伊會控制甲伊會克制這個分段心所以是講我們有這個วิริยะ有這個真正的心呢我們分段心就會浮起來所以這個就是講這個วิริยะ有三個講法啦indriya本是骨力的心巴拉這個力本是這個本是是講是骨力這個骨力嗰是伊哩巴達嗰是嗰是想講是伊哩這個วิริยะ所以這個วิริยะ大家是伊就是其中五個巴拉五個有力其中一個力啦所以互你相對甲對立互你愛困的啦愛去這個分段心的所以這個就是講 có thể điสู่có thể con hoạt thì đi á thì con có thể làm con này đi bà đa thì con sức sản chu là thì con nó chùa mình cái léo thì conรู้สึกก่อนthì chùa hỏi phầnว่าhỏiสิ่งก่อนthì conรู้สึกđi bà đaสิ所以这里评论来宾这里属身的议论来宾有讲起这里的呀这里กิน这里กิน这里เพราะว่าสิ่งของกิน所以จะต้อง这里的呀จริงๆ重要啦ต้องก่อเข้าไอ้เสียใจเพื่อว่า做สิ่งนี้เพื่อ做คำนี้เป็นการเพื่อสิ่งของเราของ这里的呀จะเป็นสิ่งของ
Now we come to repeating. Almost every meditator must come across this kinds of repeating. If you don't have such experience, your meditation not good enough. That's why if you do meditation for a long time, for a long retreat, long period, then okay, surely you will come across these 5 types of repeating. Then you may have some faith in the Dharma. Usually, meditators talk about faith only. Oh, do meditation, we have faith only, nothing else. Because they don't have enough time, don't have enough effort, don't have enough concentration, then they will not reach the what you call a higher level of the insight knowledge. If you come across the intermediate level of the inside knowledge, you may come across all of the patterns of pity or joy. That's why I say meditator must have he or she knowledge what is the meaning of pity. Pity is generally translated as a rapture, joy, interest, or enthusiasm. It is related to the pamodya, gladness, and the sukha, pleasant feeling. Pity is the precursor of the sukha, like a sight of the bomb to a weary traveler is pity. It's like drinking water and then bathing, there is sukha, pity and sukha. What is the difference, the meaning of pity and sukha? When we see something, good sign, it's called pity. Maybe when we are traveling in another sun, then sitting down in the shaking tea, later you drink water, then there is called sukha. There's a degree of happiness may be different. Another one, creating joyful interest in the object is the characteristic of the pity. Pity is jhana pada, and it inhabits javada, opposite. But in well or aversion, there are 5 stages of pity. Kurga pity, triumph of the joy because of the bliss declared. The Kanika pity, instantaneously joy, like a plus of enlightenment. Number 3, Augandika pity, a flood of joy, like breakers on the system. Omega pity, uplifting joy, which may lift one to float or fly in the air. Number 5, Vaprana pity, substitution joy, which pervades the whole body like a full-blown bladder or like a lump of the cotton, moistened and oil, or like a blood overflowing creek and pond. Chanda, which or desire or will. Chanda has been translated as wish, desire, or will. And Shin Karaka, this way of Chanda is the wish to do. Also, it is desire for something without any attachment to the things is Chanda. Chanda is an ethically natural psychological term. It should be differentiated from the immoral loba greed, which is a desire with the attachment. Every action begins with the chanda. For example, the act of standing up begins with the wish to stand up. It is evident that the journey of the 1,000 miles begins with the first step, and first step is chanda. We cannot go without wish to go, and we cannot get to a place without wish to be there. When translated justifying, chanda becomes a way and leads to a success. As there is way, there is a way. So, like the Viriya Chanda, Chanda is included in the 4 means of the accomplished once a journey, once a end, Adibada. It is also key to success, Viriya and Chanda.
所以来大概就係至少大概在講嘅嘅大時間，就是嘅 PT 就是講joy, nature, interest 嘅事業、用業或者都興趣啦，都係 PT。所以就講我哋訓練這些人，我哋係都叫啦，我哋係都叫係起嘅 PT， 國中嘅 PT 啦，起嘅國中嘅 PT。比如講我哋有放假嘅時間啦，普通我哋冇放假嘅時間都訓練這些咯，我哋係起嘅國中嘅 PT 啦，所以就講比如講有放假嘅點聲來訓練這些，佢就起嘅國中嘅 PT， 這個 PT 當佢起嘅 PT 是事業之類。都對ผู้理การที่จะตัวสิ่งๆนะทุกคนว่าเราผู้เรียนที่เนาะมีว่าเราบุกเอายังบุกเอาเตรียมเสียละพุ่งบุกเอากู้ละเนี่ยคนเรียนพุ่งบุกเอากู้ละตัวเราอีกก้อนอีกก้อนรู้เจตที่ที่ยากเพียงนะที่สิบละเพียงที่ละตัวนี้พวกเราผู้เรียนเก่าปีการบุกเอากู้ละพุ่งบุกเอาเนี่ยอย่างแรกต้องบุกเอาส่วนเราบุกที่เด็ดที่กันไอ้กำกับเดียวอีกก้อนเดียวอีกสิ่งเขียนส่วนฉันก็สิ่งเรารู้คุณเด็กกับกู้แล้วรู้ที่รู้ด้วยเรื่องอย่างไรกับขวานเนี่ยรู้จะมีจุดนี่ก่อนคือนี่ก่อนจะนี่ก่อนคือละส่วนที่เด็ดนี่ก่อนคือส่วนเรารู้ที่เด็ดนี่ก่อนคือรู้จะขวานเดียวจะที่ละส่วนเราคุณเด็กที่เวลาตัวไอ了解啦，係了解有本嚟這些人啦，有本嚟波同波嘅一天同波有關嘅這個 PT 嘅知識啦，所以這個 PT 係普通是講歸屬講是事業啦，但是都歡喜都真有興趣啦，所以是有關係跟這個某家比較人啦，比較好喜歡啦，所以跟這個暑假比較好嘅感覺。所以這個 PT 它是錯頭的啦，它是錯頭和這個暑假，所以當我有去這個 PT 有這個 PT 過後呢，一落就對了來啦，暑假就對了來，所以成個這個啲學習比如講當這個去旅遊的人啦，去旅遊的人行到其他村啦，去其他村咧，你看到這個PT 你就去那個PT 先，你去這個 PT 啦，去歡喜先。比這個如果遇到啉的水時咧，還是遇到漲水時咧，你就去這個落先，所以這大家看到 PT 跟這個暑假嘅分別啦。所以 PT 雙路真係款時，你看到有水，你去就歡喜心。當你家己啉的水，還是漲水時咧，你就去就落暑假嘅心。相反嘅是講你行邊啊好，行邊啊村啊，你看到一個漲邊啊大漲， 如果你去的欢喜心啦，其实这都好平了，如看领水，如的国家，如的去的落啦，所以去的比比个的落，看个大家介绍，就讲看到伊分别啦，伊程度是安怎。所以这个普通话人这个欢喜心哦伊是欢喜甲这个目标啦，所以这个伊是这个characteristic 这个PT 这个伊作用就是讲伊是这个jhana factor 啦，伊是这个产值啦。所以讲我们有这个jhana factor， 有这个 PT 哩，讲我们去这个 PT 心里，我们特别有这个恶意比较大的，就是对起对立啦。如果 PT 哩就是比较大的，就是恶意心，爱做坏破坏人心。所以当你去这个 PT 心里，伊本是其中一个jhana factor。所以这个 PT 哩伊有五个抗战啊，你去这个 PT 去这个五个抗战。เขาจะได้คำตามสิคือโดผู้จัดการปิติผู้จัดการปิติที่ต้องชิวๆเลยหวานนี่ล่ะชิวๆที่ซึ่งเสียงของกำกับเดียวหรือกำกับเดียวด้วยที่บริษัทในคนน่ะชิวๆที่ในคนน่ะที่ปิติที่การนิกาปิติแต่สิสร้างที่จำที่ได้หวานนี่ล่ะซึ่งเสียงสิด้วยขอเดียวจะได้瞬间จะได้lightning ในคนน่ะ瞬间จะได้闪电ในคนน่ะที่จะได้ที่ล่ะงั้นที่สร้างปีที่คือพวกที่กับปีที่พูดว่าในที่พูดว่าในหัวนี่ล่ะ所以อาจจะเสียงของที่จะได้ที่จะต้องจะได้ให้เองลองตัวให้มีสิให้เองที่ผักที่ให้ร่างเสาล่ะ所以这里ที่สร้างที่พวกคัดที่กับที่ที่อยู่คัดตัวล่ะแต่ให้เองก็ผ่าโดยให้ที่ผู้ที่พอที่ให้เป็นร่างเสาล่ะ所以ที่ที่ก็กะหอนี่ล่ะที่ตัวเดี๋ยวผู้เบกะที่กะหอที่ก็กะหอนี่ก็ที่สังกัดที่สังกัดของลูกกำกับเดียวลูกผู้ที่หลายล่ะผู้โดจะเป็นโครงงานของผู้ที่มีคุยต่อคาล่ะเป็นผู้ที่หลายมีคุยต่อคาที่ล่ะที่ก่อนเลยที่ภาระนะที่เขาจริงเพี้ยนมันไม่คุยเลยสิ่งคุยล่ะลูกคุยเลยสิ่งคุยกำกับเดียวโบเสียงในการลูกกำกับเดียวลูกคุยเลยที่พังกวนคุยพังกวนมั่วเนี่ยถ้าสิจะมีพอจิ้มตัวเลยอยู่อะไรดีเนาะจิ้มตัวไรคุยมีพอก็อยู่อะไรแล้วถ้าสิอะไรช่วยจิ้มที่ไรช่วยจิ้มก็คุยเกาคุยผีเพราะว่าจิ้มก็มั่วที่ไหนแล้วช่วยจะที่ก่อนเลยพิธีจริงๆหัวที่ก็มั่วที่ไหนล่ะเนี่ยเรา来这个都该小啦给啦这大家这啦清楚就是真的ที่真的นี่คือ wish desire คือ view ล่ะ所以是讲愿望意望意志啦这是真的这是真的นี่归属来讲是愿望意望意志这是真的นี่一是靠这里啦靠这里特项一是做头的主要的特项一是好路去这里路这里站那里一好路去这里是讲我爱做路想爱做ทำ嘅所以这里本身想讲路爱做ทำ嘅比如爱做这里站那路爱做的物件这里物件比路爱做的物件比路无错掉这接触的心这是真的如果错掉接触的心这是真的还是叫做罗巴还是叫做这里他们心所以真的你比如爱做的物件但是伊无接触的物件这是这里中心的理论的中心的论理伊无讲有接触的物件แต่ก็อีพอจะได้ปีก็ 如爱徛起来这就是真的如有心爱徛起来如想徛起来如徛起来所以这就是真的这大家所以讲如爱去的遐风的地方哦可能几拿前几条的地方如爱去的地方特别对真的你就是讲如行头一步爱去迄个地方就是就是讲这个意思讲是真的是讲爱到迄个地方虽然是几千几条是讲无这真的你无看第一步你就是未到迄个地方所以看第一步你就是叫做真的的所以真的你看第一步你是无代表安尼执着的心的所以这个就是讲是讲我们无这个真的我们就是到迄个地方未去达到未去到迄个地方所以这真的是真重要啦是头一步我们做方面物件不说也爱有靠这真的这个精索有这真的精索的我们做物件较会做所以当我这个真的有一点强呢一点用呢吼因为我这真的呢就变做第一志我们爱做物件吼也就爱成功卖讲未成功的所以当你有一个意志是你有得去这个一直想到这个 VDI 嘛有一个精进啊所以当你有这个精进你有这个真的一个做我们这个自身主来边咯你得缓慢你爱做物件你做物件你得成功你就爱用这个精进跟这个真的来缓慢你爱做惭愧
So shall we stop here today? Tomorrow I'll have to stop one day because I have to go Ipoh morning, early morning go and then evening coming back. Then Monday we'll start. Okay, I'll let you.
就是那个今日我开始咁嘅定位置เนี่ยแต่ก็ขอไปใกล้ๆมาใจคุณที่ก็มาใจก็บุ๋ยละส่วนมาใจบุ๋ยเนี่ยมาใจแต่ก็ไอทีอีโฟเนี่ยมาใจอเมริกาตัวไหนเนี่ยป้าอีกคนจะลุกขึ้นละส่วนแต่ก็อุตริที่สุดสิ้นไอ้การไปใกล้ๆเสียวที่ก็จะมีสิ่งสอบไว้เลี้ยวละที่บุ๋ยที่จะเขียนในการต่อไว้เลี้ยวso tại cái chú ý vào xe là thì đầu tiên lại lời trái là phải thấy sĩ phải tôi chờ lúc ý chợt ra đây có thể để chính số công nhau là số thành kinh tại cái tay thành kinh cả là chỗ công nhau chập sai chính số cô chập si để不善chính số cô chỉ chọn đó để mấy chính số mấy con